So I wanted to record something here. I have my G1 humanoid. They say secondary development's not available, blah, 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 and all these things. And I mean, for the most part, yeah. I mean, maybe at some point I will unlock the limbs and the legs and whatever else. But I mean, I've been working with AI, of course, because nobody knows everything. But I found a way to unlock a lot of stuff, including a lot of hidden secret features with arm gestures and whatnot. But this is a really cool one. Something that the app does not do. And again, this is the G1 Air, G1 Basic. Check this out. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. And it's really loud. Hello, I am a G1 humanoid robot. The benefit of this is that I could probably run the video engine at the exact same time and talk to people. If I can figure out how to enable the microphone now and hear it through the computer, then I can do full autonomy mode. Controlled by me, of course. But that means I could send the robot out to an event, watch the video, hear the microphone, and then respond via my computer. Now, obviously, there's limitations, and I'll fix this chunk stuff because I found that the only way to get it to accept and communicate is via chunks. I could probably change that at some point. I tried to do it live, but that didn't work quite yet. But check this out. So it's a little slow. It would take a while. I'll speed it up, but watch. Hello, I am a G1 humanoid robot. The benefit of this is that I could probably run the video engine at the exact same time and talk to people. If I can figure out how to enable the microphone now and hear it through the computer, then I can do full autonomy mode. Controlled by me, of course. But that means I can send the robot out to an event, watch the video, hear the microphone, and then respond via my computer. So as you can see, this is working, and these are some of all the tests I'm working with AI, and just doing a bunch of things. You're just really, it's just so interesting. Like, so let's see if we could run 2 engines at the same time. It's a little slow because I'm doing it one-handed, obviously. But this opens up just so many cool things that that they said you can't do. You know, some said that the audio engines were locked, and I mean, there's just so many things that you can do. Oh my gosh. So if I do that, that should turn on his eyes that I can see real time. It's going to be a little messy here, I'm sorry. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's wrong? What's wrong? What doesn't it like? I wonder if it's because he's sitting. I wonder. So he cannot turn on his eyes when he's sitting. Really? Interesting. I did not expect that. I'll have to play with that. Because that would be awesome that he doesn't have to stand. Well, let's test it. Let me get the controller here. Eventually, I'm going to make an app that can do all these controls via the laptop. And it'll be my custom software. Maybe I'll sell it. Maybe I'll give it away for free. But this will be something that nobody's doing.
Stand mode.
All right. Now this will be the test. If I stand them up and the camera starts working, then we know what's the issue.
Zero torque mode.
Oh, wrong one.
Stand mode. Ready mode.
All right. So stand them up.
Walk around mode activated. Control your speed and
So now
stay
he's
away.
up, but we still have nothing here. So let's try, let's stop that. Of course, that didn't turn it off. Uh-oh.
Why did this break? We have no video now. Oh boy. I'll have to review that code and get back to you guys. That's sad. Oh, I just found out. I didn't even read the code. I moved the folder from where this was to a new location, and it's telling me that it can't find some of my packages and stuff. So let me reprogram this, and then I'll uh, snip or clip all the videos together, whatever the hell it's called. Okay, I got it. My key got removed by accident. Um, so now that that's running, so you see, this is live. Hello, you see? Oh, here, this might convince people more. You see? This is live. So, what we can try now is if I open... Oh, I can't do that. Because if I open up another session, it's going to tell me it already has a connection here. Ah. So I'm going to have to write this code to tell it to allow me to do both and to not throw this stupid like byte size every couple seconds on the screen. It's dumb. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I changed the code quite a bit here. Sorry for the camera portrait and landscape changes. But I changed the programming to where instead of having like a big chunk of crap going up and down the screen, to just put the send and receives, or the receives and the frames, whatever the hell it is. But you see, we're still live here. You see? We're still live. And also, I programmed the audio engine. I don't know if it's going to work. I haven't tried it yet. Let's try live. Let's see what happens. Hello. Hello, testing. Oh, the video stops. Oh, no, it didn't stop. I just stopped moving. Okay, so this is all live at the exact same time. Let's see what happens. So now I'm throwing the chunks up there. Let's see what it does.
Hello, testing. Oh, the video stops. Oh, no, it didn't stop. I just stopped moving. Okay, so
Wow.
this is all live at the exact same time. Let's see what happens.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing, dude. I love AI. Just a little bit of patience. And now this. What I'm looking to do is, if this continues to work, and I have to do a lot of testing here, but like if I'm doing trade shows or demonstrations for customers and whatnot. Oh, my daughter's here. Come on. She wants to see the robot. She loves the robot. Say hello. There's the robot. Yeah, there's her little feet. Anyways, if this works, this is much, much, much better than the app. And yeah, there's no development that could be done on the robot directly, like with the limbs. But you could send and receive data to it in certain ways. And I mean, this is the proof here. Now, a lot of this code is, some of it's not mine, but a lot of it is, especially this custom stuff. Like none of this existed before. And simply what I created was you push enter, which I'm going to change. I'll create a whole UI at some point and throw it on a website so people can follow my project. But eventually, this will just be amazing. I don't know. Here we go. So when I do that, it sends the request of the microphone on my PC, record, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Here's the packets for the video. The longer you record, obviously the bigger the size. So let's record for a little bit. Let's see how long it takes. I will increase the speed. Eventually, I'll try to find a way to make it live. Maybe somehow tricking the engine to take the audio and send it every like millisecond. So it thinks it's live. I don't know. I'll figure out a way. But here we go. I push enter. Now it's going to send these chunks. Now you see it's really slow. I have to change that. Also, I'm going to have to separate this line from the video line. You see how it's kind of glitching there? I don't like that. So let's, and then boom.
So when I do that, it sends the request of the microphone on my PC, record, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Here's the packets for the video. The longer you record, obviously the bigger the size. So let's record for a little bit. Let's see how long it takes. I will increase the speed. Eventually, I'll try to find a way to make it live. Maybe somehow tricking the engine to take the audio and send it every like millisecond so it thinks it's live. I don't know. I'll figure out a way. But here we go.
Yeah, so I pushed enter early, but I mean, how cool is this? Guys, again, this is a G1 basic, and for anyone who wants to argue with me and say that's not a basic or something, let me check if there's any serial numbers on here or something. I don't think so. Well, actually, it just says G1. It doesn't say like air or anything. Ah, my phone. But yeah, you know, I don't know if it would say EDU. Well, here's the way to test it. Look, there's nothing in there. You see, there's just a piece of. This is my laundry room, by the way, so it's a little messy in here. But look, let me move his head forward. Look, this is not the EDU. If anyone wants to call me a liar. So, yeah, this is only the beginning, man. I can't wait to see what more we can do.